It's really for the health insurers. They're weathering a perfect storm of higher costs across all of their government health plans. When it comes to Medicare, UnitedHealth is at the eye of that storm. In mid-May, CEO Andrew Whitty stepped down, the company withdrew guidance, and Chairman Steve Hemsley was reinstated as chief executive, vowing to earn back investor trust and confidence. The crux of the problem? Collapsing profits in the company's Medicare Advantage program. Insurers and doctors used to be able to add a general diagnosis, like an overall heart condition, to bill for higher reimbursement, like adding a little extra shot of espresso to your for extra margins. Under new rules known as V28, billing codes have been tightened up, so less caffeine for those margins. Along with United's insurance profits, that's now hitting Optum Health, its army of 90,000 doctors, because it's making it harder to reap that extra margin with extra codes. Tomorrow, investors want to hear how the company is going to stanch the losses and turn things around. And one big measure of that is going to be 2025 guidance. Analyst estimates range from $18 to $26 a share for the full year, with consensus at nearly $21. Mizuho's Ann Hines says anything less than $18 is going to be a big problem. Billing practices are also at the center of the DOJ probe, which the company did acknowledge last week. You can read more in my UnitedHealth earnings preview on CNBC.com. A lot of headwinds
We're going to have to definitely read that. So I do have to say, Bertha, you listed a number of headwinds and issues for this company. Do we think we're at basically a floor? Is there anything else that can really go wrong, or anything else that's pending that could also impact this business?
That is the issue. I mean, but this is at the core. Basically, their doctor unit, Optum Health, was always sort of their secret sauce that made it better for them in terms of their performance in Medicare Advantage than everybody else. Now that is a big anchor and a big drag. One of the things everyone is trying to figure out is how they kind of missed the boat. We're in the second year of this V28. All of their competitors had problems last year, so they cut back, didn't offer as generous benefits, and UnitedHealth inherited a lot of their patients. So we're going to see whether they are ready to turn this so that they don't have this problem again next year.
By the way, one of the bigger components in the Dow as well, weighing on the Dow, it's very surprising, actually. The Dow so close to a new record high, considering a stock of this size actually.
But it's a 1,400-point drag this year.